Hello again. We are down to the last few prompts in my scavenger hunt book. Just the last very few. And we're going to finish it up today, I think. I'm hoping it doesn't get to be too long a video. Now, that being said, when it's all finished and done, I will do another video and post a flip of all of my pages. Not a big long flip, but just a short flip of everything. And we can see the outcome of all of these pages. So I'm going to get busy here. I have a few things I kind of want to talk to you about and walk you through. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to speed this one up. We'll see. The first thing I need to do is I have to do my favorite cartoon character. And I thought a lot about this. And well, this is a book character as well. They do make cartoons on the TV of the Cat in the Hat these days. So we're going to use the Cat in the Hat. And I also have to do, what do I want to say? I have to have a, what do I want to say? Come on. I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. Finger painting. So we're going to finger paint, and then that way we can let it dry and move the book out of the way while it gets dry. And Okay, everybody, I'm sorry. I got to working, I got interrupted. I forgot I was going to talk you through the pages today. Um, I don't know why I forgot, just did. So, what we did was I did my fingerprinting on my page with my favorite, oops, sorry for the glare, favorite cartoon character. And then we were supposed to do our favorite childhood toy. And you know, the only thing I can remember, now dolls were definitely not my thing. The only thing I can remember was the swing set and how we played this game where the swing set was a boat on the ocean filled with sharks, and the only safe place was when you got underneath the slide, you could be on the grass, but that was the only place. And we would climb all over the swing set, but never touch the grass. That's just one of my childhood memories, and so I consider that, I guess, my favorite childhood toy. And then we had to do a page about a fib, or a friend in the box, or an online friend. And Lisa Conway is my online friend, and I should have started with a bigger piece of paper because she is the kindest person that I know. She has 2 amazingly talented children. Her hubby sounds so much like mine. We think so much alike and yet so differently. I boss her around, and every so often she gives it back. We have never met in person, and yet I could not ask for a better friend. So that should finish my scavenger hunt book. I'm going to go up here and check it out and see page about a friend, and those are 40 and 41, right? 40 and 41. Finger paint is on page 38. And my favorite cartoon character is also on page 38. And my favorite toy from childhood is on page 39. And that is it. I had a couple pages to spare even, and some places where I could have added pages in. So, yay! This was so much fun, guys. One of the things I can tell you is that I will be doing actual flip. Oh, I did decide to also put a little something on my cover. The cover just didn't say what it was, and I mean, it's inside, but I really wanted to put something on the outside, and since I just grabbed something that was fun. Oh, and obviously I can't spell because I had to start this twice. Anyways, I'll be doing a flip, but I hope you enjoyed today's pages, and I hope that you will give this video a thumbs up and check back and see the flip of the whole book. And if you haven't started, you should still have a couple of weeks and have time to do this. It was so much fun. Even if you don't finish it, it's a lot of fun. Or even if you do it later, it's a lot of fun. So, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.